Nice for 1 minute.
Well, thank you, Madam Speaker. I rise in support of H.R. 5019, the Homestar Energy Retrofit Act, and I want to commend Congressman Welch for his extremely productive efforts on pursuing this issue. This Homestar program will help support jobs in the construction and home retrofitting sectors, which have been among the hardest hit during this economic recession. In addition, in my home state of Utah, will help homeowners make the investments necessary to improve energy efficiency in their homes, which in turn will help them save money on their energy bills. In my state of Utah, well over half of an individual's residential energy bill goes to home heating and air conditioning, and we have all felt the impact of increased home energy costs on our budgets over the last few years. We know that savings from energy efficiency upgrades are among the best ways homeowners can keep their energy costs low. This bill is supported by over 1,200 companies and organizations nationwide, including the U.S. Chamber of Commerce, the National Association of Manufacturers, and in my home state, the Utah Clean Energy Coalition and UtahGreenHomes.com. I encourage my colleagues to support this bill, and I hope the Cash for Caucus program can be signed into law soon. Thank you. I yield back the balance of my time.